Welcome back to Fit Life Fusion. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more health tips and wellness advice. Today, we're going to talk about something that might surprise you: the benefits of eating the same food every day. You've probably heard that variety is the spice of life, but sticking to a consistent diet can actually offer some major health benefits. Let's dive into why eating the same meals every day could be the key to a healthier lifestyle. Simplified meal planning and prep. One of the biggest advantages of eating the same food every day is how much it simplifies your life. Meal planning and prep becomes so much easier when you stick to a consistent diet. Simplified meal prep and planning. When you know exactly what you'll be eating every day, you spend less time thinking about what to cook and more time focusing on other important aspects of your life. Plus, you'll likely save money by buying in bulk and avoiding last-minute takeout. Consistency in your meals can also help reduce food waste. Improved nutritional control. Another great benefit of eating the same food every day is that you gain better control over your nutrition. When you eat the same meals, you know exactly what's going into your body and can track your calories and nutrients more accurately. Nutritional control and consistency. This can be especially helpful if you have specific health goals, like weight loss, muscle gain, or managing a medical condition. By eating the same meals, you remove the guesswork and can ensure that you're meeting your daily nutritional needs. Plus, it's easier to spot areas where you might need to make adjustments. Reduce decision fatigue. Let's face it, we all suffer from decision fatigue at times, especially when it comes to what to eat. By eating the same meals every day, you remove one more decision from your day, which can help reduce stress and free up mental energy for other tasks. Reduce decision fatigue. Think about it. How much time do you spend each day deciding what to eat? By sticking to a consistent routine, you can eliminate that daily decision and use that time and energy for more important things, like your work, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Building healthy habits. Eating the same food every day can also help you build and maintain healthy habits. When you consistently choose healthy options, it becomes second nature, and over time, you'll find it easier to stick to your health and fitness goals. Building and reinforcing healthy habits. By creating a routine with your meals, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or make impulsive food choices. And once you establish these habits, it becomes much easier to stay on track and see long-term results. So, there you have it, some of the surprising benefits of eating the same food every day. From simplifying your life to improving your nutrition and reducing decision fatigue, a consistent diet can make it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried sticking to the same meals every day. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and as always, stay healthy, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.